One of the best and easiest way to make money right now is freelancing. You heard the word freelancing before, or you know something about it, but in this particular video I'm going to be breaking it down. What freelancing is all about, who is a freelancer, how to start your freelancing career, the best keys to make a lot of money from, and how to get started. First of all, it's interesting to know who is a freelancer. Now, freelancer, according to what is showing you on your screen right now, is a person who earns money from a job per task. Okay, all right, usually a short-term period, an independent contract. Now, a company hire you to work for them, but you work for them remotely from the comfort of your home. All right, and the internet is growing rapidly to its highest potential, and majorly every business, every brands, every individuals, they are rushing down to the internet. Okay, people are bringing their business and brands into the internet right now because the internet is at its peak right now. All right, so as recorded, almost half of the population in my country, Nigeria, are in the internet, to show you that the population is getting vast by the day. Now, if you want to make a lot of money this year, this is the best time to start your freelancing career. Now, based on my insight, experience, and based on research on what works, now I've put together something that can help you in this very particular video. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 skills to offer as a freelancer. Now, the sweetest part about freelancing is that you can be in the corner of your room and you can be working for companies from US, Canada, France, Kenya, name it. All right, you can be earning in foreign currency from the corner of your room. You don't have to leave your home, you don't have to leave your office. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the 5 best skills to offer as a freelancer. Number 1 is digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is whereby you are driving the digital activities to a product or a service or to a company website. Okay, you can also call this social media management or digital marketing. Now, this is the umbrella for other services like SEO, website design, video editing, graphic design, and many other stuff. But this one is like the mother of all. There are a lot of companies and brands like right now looking for digital marketers to carry out certain tasks in their website. All right, these companies, they need digital marketers like you to come and carry out things like content creation, copywriting, social media management, SEO optimization, and many other stuff. Now, this is a very high sought after service in the digital marketing space right now. All right, so if you have this skill, 100% that companies will be sorting after you to give you jobs to do for them, to carry out for them. So digital marketing is one of the best, one of the number 1 skill I would recommend if you want to be a freelancer. Now, the second skill is video creation or video editing. This alone has been a fast rising right now due to the trend and due to what is going on right now. In fact, every platform have been adapting to creating videos. If you look at it very carefully, every platform will be promoting and shifting attention to video. Instagram Reels, TikTok, even Twitter and LinkedIn, they have now shifted their attention to video. Now, companies are looking for video creators and video editors like you to put out this content for them. Now, this is a big opportunity for you to make yourself a sought after and to make a lot of money for yourself right now, because a vast audience and vast majority of people and businesses are coming online right now and they need you to carry out these services for them. So secondly is video editing. Third is copywriting and content creation. This is one of the standard skills right now we recommend anyone to learn. Even due to the emergence of AI tool, this skill is still sought after because people and brands and companies, they need copywriters to write copies for them, to create content for them. They need human touch in everything they do. Now, these are things AI can do for them. All right, they need people like you, me, to put out content for them, to write content creation for them, to put out content for them, to help them market their product, to help them show their product to real audience, and to write copies that sells for them. Now, this is one of the best skills you can learn right now, and you can offer in platform like Upwork, Fiverr, and you can even reach out to brands and they can hire you to write copies for their products and for their brands. Now, the fourth one is graphic design. This might look like an old skill in the blog. I must tell you, this is the most relevant skill right now, and it's going to be the most relevant skill times to come. I'm not talking about making use of Canva right now. I'm talking about mastering this skill, okay? Mastering how to use Adobe Pro, CorelDRAW, and if you can master this skill very well, you are going to be a red hot in the marketplace because you are going to be on job on a regular basis. Business and brands, they need visual to their business. No business right now does not need visual, does not need branding. Every business, every brand, every individual who is coming to do business in the online space, they need branding, they need visual touch, they need graphics, they need to show their business, they need to show their business to their market, to their audience. And how can they do this without graphic designs? All right, so this is what every business needs. So if you can be able to pull out and be a master of graphic design, you can be able to create stunning graphics that is popping, you are going to be on jobs and business are going to reach out to you. And the fifth one right here is web design or website development. there's a vast majority of people coming online. Business has been forced to come online. Everyone is coming online. Everyone is doing business online, and every business, every brand or individuals that is coming to do business online must have a home online. Right? They want to have a home. They want to have a house online. Now, the only way you can have a house home online is through website. Okay, this is where website developer and website designers comes in. All right, they need people like you, people who do website designs, website developer, to create stunning website for their business. So if you're a website developer, or you can create website, or you can design website, you are going to be on job, because this right here is a good mine. And you might be asking, where can I sell my skill? And where can you sell these skills? You have mastered these skills, you have learned these skills. Now, where can you sell this skill? Now, there are many places and there are many platforms you can offer this skill right now. All right. Now, the most popular platform right now is Upwork and Fiverr. But not to worry, I have a friend of mine who have done multiple thousands of dollars on Upwork by offering his skills to companies in Upwork. Now, this friend of mine, I've created a blueprint that will walk you through on how you can get your first gig on Upwork. Now, this blueprint has over 1,000 students right now. All right. Now, this blueprint is going to walk you through how you can start out in your freelancing journey and how you can get your first gig in the next 30 days. Now, this does not matter if you have a skill or not, or if you are starting online or you have no experience online right now. Okay, it's for beginners, those who have a skill, those who don't have a skill at all. If you want to start your freelancing journey right now, making between $1,000 and above in the next 30 to 60 days, this is going to be for you. All right, now the mistake most people make is by trying things out themselves. By that way, they have been stuck and they have been trying things multiple times. All right, now the fastest way to be successful in life is to ride on those who have already passed through that journey. Now, if you're interested in this, click on the first link in the comment section or in the description to begin your freelancing journey. All right, so thanks for watching this video. I believe you got value from this very video. If you do that, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn all bell notification, because I drop awesome videos on how to make money online. You don't want to miss out. Okay, and make sure you like this video and comment down below which of this skill you are willing to get started with, or which of these skills you know you can do or you already have. Let me know in the comment section. I will reply to you and we know what we can do. And with that said, thanks for watching this video again. I'll see you in my next video. With that said, bye for now.